HeyChrishinda here. This video is going to be all about these crochet passion twists. The hair I'm using is 18-inch pre-twisted passion twist crochet hair in the color 1B30. I got a bundle that came with 7 packs of hair with 20 strands each for a total of 140 twists. Finally, a bundle with more than 88 or 96 twists. Like, what am I going to do with 88 twists? This hair is very coarse and wiry. Like, the strands are so thick. I was not a fan. Would not recommend. Here's my braid pattern. My hair was braided up around the perimeter with straight backs and zigzag parts for the rest, and then my hair was sewed down. This braid pattern would have worked if my hair wasn't as long and thick as it is. The most important tool you're going to need is a latch hook. Inserting the latch hook with the silver end upward will make the loop sit on top. One side of my head is easier to get the hand placement right, so I just go in whatever direction is more comfortable. Unless the loop being on one side causes the twist to stick up and not lay flat, then I'll take the twist out and insert the latch hook in the opposite direction, just reinstalling the twist so that it'll lay flat. Here's a close-up on how I attach the hair to the latch hook and crochet it in. Something I learned from Beautykin Braids videos is that when your braids start to get thick, you want to put the latch hook through the braid and not under the braid. When you do the zigzags too big, it makes the parts so wide, and I do not like that. Here I'm inserting the latch hook pointing downward, so that will make the loop lay on the bottom. The entire perimeter of my head being braided upward did not work for me, but you see how the side braid that I just crocheted that twist into is slanted? That's great when it comes time to putting your hair up into a ponytail. So at first I was putting them way too close. I was using my finger, but for whatever reason, like when I actually stuck the latch hook in there, it just ended up too close. And when I looked in the mirror, I'm like, oh no, this is too much. I'm on my 4th pack and I'm not even in the back of my head. So I just went in and took a whole bunch out, and it looks so much better. Way lighter too. Y'all, this install took me so long. Like I said, I had put them too close at first, so I had to take them out, move them around, and because it didn't match my hair color, I was really struggling to conceal the bulkiness of the braids in the back, and it just did not work. The style ended up looking so bulky and being heavy, so I ended up keeping it in a half up, half down style the entire time I wore it. I usually always get a number 4, but I was like, let me try something different, and yeah, I'll just stick with the number 4. And I'm done. Hey y'all, Chrishinda here. In this video, I'm going to be taking down these crochet passion twists, so if you want to see how I take these down, keep on watching. I'm not going to be reusing this hair, so I'm just going to cut it out. I had this hair in for about 26 days. It snagged like crazy, got hairballs, and while it was cute, that's it. I start by taking big chunks of hair and cut it short. If I don't cut it short enough the first time, I'll go back in and cut it even shorter. You really want to get it as close to the cornrows as possible without, cutting your actual hair. The shorter you cut the twists, the easier they are to remove. This twist is still pretty long, so you'll need to grab the loop and pull the remaining twist through the loop and slide it from underneath your cornrow. Look how much easier and faster it is to remove the twists the shorter you cut them. I'm literally just grabbing that loop, tugging it very lightly, and it just slides right out. This clip is in real time, it is not sped up. The rest of these clips are sped up though. Well, that's all. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.